In the last lecture, we demonstrated how primary constructors can help us create objects easily and avoid repeatedly setting fields and parameters. We also mentioned that they make our code cleaner and easier to understand. In this lecture, we'll talk about the global scope of primary constructor parameters and how it can cause problems for us. Hello guys, welcome back. In C#, when we talk about primary constructor parameters, it means they can be accessed throughout the class. In the previous lecture, we easily assigned their values to the properties of our class, which made our code easier to read. However, there is a problem. Let's illustrate it with an example. Okay, let's define a method in the primary player class and print a simple message using our properties. Now, let's call this method for each of these players. Okay, let's run the application. As you can see, we get the expected result. Alright, here, the problem is that someone can define a method and directly use these parameters to print the message. And since these parameters can be changed, it creates more problems for us. For instance, someone can change the value of the player's name before printing the message. Now, let's run the application again. As you can see, the parameters can be changed anywhere in the class. To avoid these problems, we can make the parameter names exactly match the names of the properties or fields in the class. In this class, we're using properties. Okay, now the priority is given to the property. For example, whenever and wherever we use the name in the class, the property takes precedence. Regardless of whether we use the this keyword or not, the priority always lies with the property. Another thing is that if we wanna make the player's name read-only, we can remove the setAccessor from the property. As you can see here, we get an error. Let's remove this line and run the application once more. As you can see, we obtain the correct result. However, this time the outcome is more predictable. In general, the primary constructor parameters have the important feature of being accessible globally, but this can be costly for us. The reason is that we cannot make these parameters read-only, and they can be changed anywhere. To solve this problem, we can name the parameters the same as our fields or properties. Okay, done. See you soon.